Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 33, grade 8 mathematics. In this video I'll show you how to make one quantity as a percentage of another quantity. The learners that have the study guide, please go to page 21. This video I'll be working from or on that page, okay? So this stuff is on page 21 in the study guide. This lesson or this video is an extension or just an addition to lesson number 25. We have learned how to express one quantity as a fraction of another quantity. So here we are expressing one number or one quantity as a percentage of another quantity. Okay, so please visit lesson number 25 because the examples are almost the same. Just that here we are going to leave our answer as a percentage, and in that video we left the answer as a fraction in simplest form. Okay, so I'm going to do I'll show you 1 and 2. I'll show you also part C, sorry, not part C but number 4. So I'll show you 1 up to 4, and then you do 5 and 6 on your own, then you share with me answers on WhatsApp. Please you take a picture and you share with me so I can confirm whether your answers are right or you need to do some correction. Okay, so let's see. So let's say you are given two numbers A and B, and you should write those two numbers. You should express the first number as a fraction, as a percentage of the second number. So what you need to do, answers. So the first one, you simply say A over B, and then you multiply by 100%. Alright, so the learners that have a study guide, the steps that you need to follow when you are answering such questions, the steps are written in the study guide. So please just follow the steps on page 21. So since we don't know what is A and B is, so we can just leave it like this. So this is like I'm just showing you that if you are asked to write A and B, express A as a percentage of B. So you just need to say A divided by B, then you multiply by 100%. So let's quickly do part 2. So part 2 says we have 18 divided by 20, we multiply that by 100. Okay, so we can do this in two ways, okay? So we can simplify this fraction in simplest form, and then we can multiply it by 100. Or what we can do, we can already say, since 20 can go into 100, so we can just say 20 goes in itself once, 20 goes into 100 5 times, and then you multiply 5 by 18. Okay, so that will be 18 times 5 will give us 90%. So that will be 90%. Okay, so if you don't want to use that method, we can simply say, let's simplify 18 over 20 in simplest form. So 18 over 20, so we look for the highest common factor of 18 and 20, and that looks like 2. Okay, 2 goes into 18 9 times, and 2 goes into 20 10 times. Okay, now there's no other number that can go into 9 and 10 apart from 1, of course, and then now we can multiply that by 100. So we know that 100 goes in, 10 goes in itself once, and then 10 goes into 100 10 times. So if you multiply 9 by 10, again you get 90%. Okay, so in the test or in the exam, if you are asked to express what quantity or one number as a percentage of another number, make sure that your answer will have a unit as a percentage, or it will have a unit as a percent as a unit. Okay, let's go to number 3. So number 3, we have 28 over 100. Wow, this one is very easy, because we've learned that any number with a denominator of 100 can just be written as that. So that's just 28%. It's very simple, because the denominator is already 100. So that's what we are trying to do. We can also do the same thing here. 18 over 20. So we want to write this as a percentage, so we multiply it by 5 over 5. Why 5 over 5? Because 20 times 5 will give us 100, and 18 times 5 will give us 90. So that's why the answer is 90%. Okay, let's go to number 4. So number 4, you have to be very careful because you are given cents, and then other side you are given dollars. So these are similar units of money. So you should always convert to the smaller unit. So that's the smaller unit is cents. So since we know that $1 is equal to 100 cents. So that will mean if I have $2, I have 200 cents. So that will mean now 50 cents over 200 cents. Then I multiply by 100. Okay? So we can simplify this. So we know that 50 goes in itself once, 50 goes here 4 times. So this is just like 1 over 4. I am multiplying by 100%. And I know that 1 over 4 is 0.25. And 0.25 times 100 would give us 25%. So 50 cents and $2 as a percentage is 25%. So now my friends, I want you to try number 5 and number 6. Please take a picture of your answers and share with me on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.